Good evening. Welcome to Lucky Spoon Restaurant.
Good evening.
Just only you alone tonight.
Yes, just me. I'm very hungry.
Great. Follow me, please. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here's the menu. Would like something to drink?
Yes. Can I have some water and a hot tea?
Of course. 1 water and 1 hot tea. I'll be back soon.
Everything looks good.
Here is some water and tea. Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I think so.
What would you like?
I'll have chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries or salad with that?
Fries, please. I love fries.
Would you like ketchup or mayonnaise?
Ketchup, please.
You need anything else?
Can I also get pancakes for dessert?
Pancakes for dessert? I like that. For sure.
Thank you. This tea is so nice. So warm.
1 chicken sandwich with fries and ketchup. Pancakes will come later.
Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Wow, this chicken is so tasty. The fries are hot and crispy.
Excuse me. How is everything?
It's really good. I'm enjoying it a lot.
Great. I'll bring your pancakes in just a minute.
Perfect.
Here you go. A big plate of pancakes with syrup.
Yeah, they look amazing. Oh, wow. These are sweet and soft. Perfect ending choice.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. I'm full and happy.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like the check?
Yes. Please.
Thank you. I will be back soon.
Great.
We will be happy to see you again next time. Have a good night.
Thank you. You're too.